Hey guys, what's up? This is Ben!
What?
Wake up!
Where are the butterflies?
We're doing the intro.
Oh.
Yes. So let's retry this, alright? Alright, here we go.
Cocker Spaniel!
Hello guys, what's up? This is Dalton Pope
Benjamin Carter
with DMP Productions. And today we're bringing you a new episode, basically showing the stupidity of both of us put together.
As my triumphant return to DMP Productions, because it's been a very long time.
Yeah.
I apologize.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
I'll pay you money.
But we hope you guys...
As my triumphant return video, I decided to, well, me and Dalton both decided to do a video that was scrapped a very long time ago. And when I say very, I mean when Dalton, like, one of the first times he got his Nikon. So, this is a long time ago. I was still small and like 12 years old. As in, I was like last week. So, anyway, this is a video that we're going to call Sneezing Tourettes.
And we hope you guys enjoy.
Deuces, brotato.
Alright, we got some... Alright.
Turn up.
Okay,
Couch. Spinning around. Watch out next time. Take milk. Where am I? Alright. So we're doing this magic. It's gonna die tonight. You hear me? It's gonna die tonight. Now what's the explanation for being here though? There's no sense as to why I'm even second base, homie. Back to my T-ball days, home. So I sneeze and I teleport. Now what's on the picture now, homie? Go Sharky, should go Sharky, should go. Go Sharky, should go. So what else do I? Not again! Why does this always happen to me? Why am I in Trek water? What? I have clothes on! Okay. Oh, shit.
Hey you see that subscribe button at the top right part of the screen? I suggest clicking that so that way you be subscribed for the more video content and news that DMP Productions has to offer you. That's right.